Peace is my continual gift to you. It flows abundantly from my throne of grace. Just as the Israelites could not store up manna for the future, but had to gather it daily, so it is my peace. Day by day, collecting of manna kept my people aware of their dependence on me. Similarly, I give off sufficient peace for the present when you come to me by prayer and petition with thanksgiving. If I give you permanent peace, independent of my presence, you might fall into the trap of self-sufficiency. May that never be. I have designed you to need me moment by moment. As your awareness of your neediness increases, so does your realization of my abundant sufficiency. I can meet every one of your words without draining my resources at all. Approach my throne of grace with bold confidence, receiving my peace with a thankful heart. Exodus 16:15-16, Philippians 4:6-7, 19, Hebrews 4:16.